Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video, which is from Kat. And so I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this because may mga interviews talaga sila na hindi ko talaga nakikita. And grabe, may mga interviews din sila na alam mo yung parang interesting pala dapat gawa ng reaction video pero hindi ko siya napanood since ang dami-dami ko din ginagawa guys. So dito ngayon pa lang natin sila mapapanood and makikita mo talaga na oo, sweet sila sa physical. Physically sweet sila, pero the way sila magsalita, the way sila mag-compliment sa isa't isa, alam mo yung parang nagpapakiramdaman na lang talaga sila na, oh, ito ang sasabihin ko sa'yo. So, dapat alam mo na kung anong ibig kong sabihin. For example, pag sinabihan ni Alden Sikat na kumain ka na, ang ibig sabihin nun, nagkikare ako sa'yo sobra. Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yung papikit-pikit ko? Nakikare ko sa'yo sobra. Alam mo, hindi ko din ma-imagine. Feeling ko talaga, after nilang mag-Noche Buena, or before mag-Noche Buena, or before pa pumatak ang alas 12 ng Christmas Eve, nagtatawagan na sila. And right after that, magpapaalam si Alden or si Kat na wait lang ha, magpipicture lang kami, kakain lang kami. And right after that, after nilang kumain ng picture, syempre, magsisend si Alden ng mga pictures kay Kat, tapos ganun din si Kat, tapos kakain sila together. And then right after that, magkukall na sila up until 7 o'clock in the morning hanggang makatulog na sila. Tama ba yun? Tama ba yun? Very high school. Talibabad talaga ang peg, no? Actually, yung high school, they cannot do that. Ng high school ako, hindi namin magagawa yun. Kasi minsan lang, ang mahal ng Anli dati, kung naalala ninyo, may mga pure text pa nga na load. Yung 100 pesos for 100 text. Pure text ang tawag doon. Basta, anyways, panood natin to. Go!
This is Alden, and
Sa Alden.
we'll be having
Compliment. Ay, ito yung gustong-gusto ko sa lahat.
Kat. I like
Sa lahat. Sa lahat talaga. Ulitin natin. Kinikilig.
I
Thanks.
like your,
Thanks, daw. Hayop.
no.
ngayon.
Thanks.
Yan, dapat pala compliment.
Thanks.
I like your hands.
Really? I like your hands too.
Oh, thank you.
I like your hands
how
too.
you care about people.
I like your dimple.
I like your back.
I like your back.
Yes.
Oh, I like your back too.
Parang bumabalik lang sa akin. I like how you make the atmosphere wherever you are light.
Ay.
I like your,
Parang sinabi ni Alden doon na parang I like having you near me. Charis. Kanta naman pala. Kanta naman pala. Kanta naman pala having you near me.
I like how you think of things to make
People, ikaw din naman na
how open you are when it comes
to having fun. Kumbaga parang sabi ni Kat, parang wait lang, parang sinasabi doon ni Kat na parang ina-accept ko lahat, nakikita ko lahat ng ginagawa mong effort towards me para lang ma-feel ko na masaya ako and nakikita ko na masaya ka rin for me. Something like that. Tama ba yun? Anyways.
I like your feet.
Your feet. Alam mo, naniniwala talaga ako sa mga ganyan hindi yan joke eh. Kung gusto mo talaga yung isang tao, kahit sa pinakamaliit na bagay na you cannot imagine na mapapansin sa'yo ng isang tao pag gusto ka niya, mapapansin niya talaga. Mapapansin niya yung tinga mo, mapapansin niya yung tutuli mo, mapapansin niya feet mo. Di ba, who would have thought, sa dami-dami ng magagandang features kay Alden, ang feet pa na nakatago ang nakita ni Kat na masabi niyang maganda. So basically, parang alam mo yung sinabi ni Kat dito ang interpretation ko lang I love every single bit of you. Wow. What is analysis? Ina-analyze talaga natin.
Yeah.
Sus Mario, ikaw lang nagsabi sa akin.
Because siya lang naka-appreciate sa'yo ng bonggang-bongga. Ng
I
sobra.
like how you treat your team.
I like how you adjust yourself to the environment just to make people around you comfortable.
I like how you take care of me.
Oh, I love that.
How you take care of me.
Oh my God, putang ina, so nag-aalagaan sila. So, inumura ako. Sorry. This is one thing that I really love about this interview, yung Mega. I like how you take care of me too, plus eye-to-eye contact. Can you imagine that? Napakalakas na statement yan, dear. Plus eye-to-eye contact. Like, what the F? Seryoso. Like, what the F? Diba? Parang, oh my God, parang, ano to? Anong ginagawa nyo? Ano ba? Kailan ba kayo aamin in everything? Diba? Look at Alden, the way he look at Kat. Nang sinabi niya yung I like how you take care of me too. Yan lang na naman din yung mga way ng lalaki para mapa-in love sila eh. 'Di ba? Yung tipong alagaan talaga sila, let them feel na they are loved, they are special, they are not taken for granted. Actually sa babae ganun din, pero more like sa lalaki talaga. Kasi 'di ba ang lalaki parang pag makikita natin yung mga lalaki, they are really tough, they are really strong, but deep inside, they want to be babied. Gusto nila na binibaby sila. Anyways,
So guys, who do you think won?
ano to? May karugtong to ba? May karugtong ba to? My God. Charis. Ibang iba to.
Hello guys, this is Alden.
Hello, this is Catherine.
No.
One, two.
No. Napanood na natin yan. Maghanap pa tayo ng iba.
Hola.
Hola! So, nagkikiss talaga sila araw-araw dyan, di ba? Wait lang, maghanap tayo ng iba. Oh, this one? May napanood natin ito kahapon. Oh, this one?
Would you sacrifice your happiness for the person you love?
Oo, yan. Napanood natin to. Grabe to.
Really? You'll
Grabe to.
sacrifice your
Ito yung parang nagulat si Kat. Kasi di ba, all of her life, hindi naman all her, actually, wala naman akong alam, di ba? Pero, based dun sa nag-gauge ko, based dun sa reaction ni Kat, parang most of her life, during her entire life sa showbiz man, sa love life man, and everything, parang she is sacrificing her happiness para sa ikaka-happy ng iba. Parang alam mo yung, di bali ng hindi ako masaya, di bali ng pagod ako, di bali ng ganito ako. Basta nakikita kong masaya ang mga minamahal ko. Which is, nakikita ko yan kay Kat sa reaction niya. So nagulat siya na Alden is the same way to the way Alden thinks. And then right after that, na-analyze ko rin dito na parang how do I say this? Na parang at least makakapagpahinga na din ako. Parang ganun yung sinabi ni Kat na parang it's time for myself naman na I can do whatever I want and then at the end of the day, there is a person na magiging happy whatever things na gagawin ko. Something like that, yung tipong sumayaw, humalakak ng malakas, sumayaw sa dance floor, uminom, makikipag-mingle sa ibang tao, makikipag-mingle sa lalaki na walang magsiselos. Can you imagine that? 'Di ba? Alam mo kasi parang ang feeling ko kasi ang daming na-deprive din ng mga bagay-bagay kay Kat na hindi niya talaga nagawa because she is considering the feelings of other people as well. We cannot blame her because nagla-love lang din naman siya. But yun lang yung nakita ko na parang, kumbaga, katulad sa breadwinner na parang sa wakas, graduate na ako sa pagiging breadwinner because napatapos ko ng mga kapatid ko and then sila naman kumbaga parang pay it forward. Yung mga kapatid ko naman yung mag-pay it forward. Na parang sila naman yung mag-sacrifice na kahit konti, something like that. Magigets niyo ba ako? Grabe yung analysis natin.
Kasi kaya yung sabi ko sa'yo dati, di ba? Parang for me, love is sacrifice.
Okay.
And I think, of course, syempre we're now at an era naman talaga na people are encouraged to love themselves.
True.
Yes.
Medyo old school lang kasi ako. So, syempre ako, I really value happiness of other people.
More than your
I really value.
But
Oh
how
my God,
about
I
your
love that.
happiness?
When I see them happy, I'm happy.
So you're willing to sacrifice
So
it kasi
nakikita
makuha
ni
mo
Kat
din yung
to.
Yes,
Nakikita
pag masaya siya.
Nakikita to ni Kat. Oh my God, look at the looks of Kat. Seriously. Seriously, the looks of Kat talaga says it all. Napaka-loud. Look at that. I can imagine that yung mga things na tumatakbo sa utak ni Kat while hearing that kind of sentences, should I say, from Alden and while looking at him. Look at that. Grabe pala yung interview talaga nila. Grabe talaga, Kat.
Yeah.
Grabe talaga. What is this? Ay, hindi ko to alam.
Huwag na.
Ngayon ko lang to nakita.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Maingay. Ang acid. Laging ina-acid.
Laging ina-acid.
At saka, funny. Sobrang benta si Dora sa akin.
Yes.
Oo.
Religious na lang.
Religious.
Religious. Ano ba? Sincere.
Religious cat towards yung term Alden long, madaling kausap. Oh my God.
Yes.
So, may sasabihin dito si Kat. May sasabihin, Canada. Malamig, of course. sweet, tumanti.
Maple syrup, na joke lang.
Maple syrup.
Canada. For me, Banff, for some reason, Canada, Banff.
Okay.
Very
What?
hot. Joke lang.
Don't tell me romantic ah.
Summer kasi na-
Don't tell me sabihin mo romantic. Pag yan, romantic na in love ka dun.
Warm, literally and figuratively, kung paano yung pag-welcome nila sa amin.
Okay.
And lastly, very memorable
Mem-
sa akin yung Canada.
Ina, yun yung sinasabi ko, memorable. Riz. Yung totoo Kat, anong memory ang anong memory ang na-imbak mo doon sa Canada for today's video? Ha? Uy, sorry, mura ako ng mura. Hindi ko, ganyan talaga kasi ako eh. Hindi ko mapigilan yung kilig ko.
But now,
Ang arte ko dun.
considering yung Canada,
Nipis
I
ko
will,
dun.
remember all the experiences we've shared.
Also the
sa-
feelings. Ganun ba
while
yun?
shooting the film.
Ganun ba yun?
Canada!
Canada!
I remember that.
Permanence. Aspirational.
Grabe naman yung mga words na to. Parang namang ang olat ng mga words na. Sige na, try go.
Hindi kasi aspirational, parang di ba, yun nga, yung journey ni Joy sa Hello Love Again.
Okay.
From home,
Okay.
nasa plano niya talaga to, go to Canada. Parang mostly kasi ganun yung mga OFWs na ganun yung route eh. For some reason, ina-aspire nila to be in Canada for permanence. And then last, lessons.
Lessons. Okay.
Jack and Boy, you first.
Ako first. Sincere, deep, and long term.
The words are long term.
Ay!
Long.
Long. Oh my God.
Dali ka usap.
Oh my God.
Long po.
Long.
Sa amin, I think it's very genuine.
Genuine.
It's
Authentic.
easy.
Easy.
Kind of friendship. Parang, hindi
Friendship.
ko kailangan isipin citizen.
Tigilan mo
Very
ako,
easy,
Kat.
not
Charis.
enforced. And
Tigilan mo ako, Kat, talaga. Promise.
I think it's deep. It's
Deep.
very deep. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yan, so guys, iniimbitahan po natin
Bakit tapos
kayo
na?
na
Wait, 12
manood
minutes
ng
na pala yung
Hello
video
Love
natin.
Again.
Diyos ko, dapat 10
In
minutes lang.
cinemas
Hirap i-edit
worldwide.
ito.
And
Ayun, directed by Direct Cathy Garcia Sampana.
Hey! Alright, there you go guys. That's our for today's video, which is my analysis and from their interviews of Kat. Tapos nabitin ako. Isa pa. This is Ijaba Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!